Now to download your Facebook photos all at once. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook app, tap on the three dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the Facebook menu section. Now here tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap on the settings. Now once you tap on the settings, all you have to do is tap on the account center at the top. Now again, once inside account center, scroll down and tap on the your information and permission option available there. Tap on the downloads. Then tap on the download or transfer information. Then tap on the specific. Then you can simply choose for the post or story since we are only downloading the photos of Facebook. So you can tap on the stories and posts only. Then tap on the next option available there. Once you tap on the next, again tap on the download to device option available there. Now you can simply tap on the or choose the date range, format and media quality and tap create files. Now Facebook will start preparing your download. This may take a few minutes to hours depending on your data. You will get a notification email when your file is ready. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.